Quantum computing is about to break every limit we thought technology had. And if you've ever wondered what the world will look like when computers can solve in seconds what today's supercomputers can't solve and millions of years stay locked in, from breaking unbreakable encryption to discovering life-saving drugs in days instead of decades, this isn't sci-fi. It's happening faster than anyone expected. Quantum computing is stepping out of the someday zone and moving straight into the right-now conversation in the US's tech ecosystem. Big players like IBM, Google, Microsoft, and startups backed by billions are racing to build machines that use quantum bits qubits to perform calculations we once thought were impossible. But why does this matter? Because quantum computing isn't just a faster version of your laptop. It's a completely different model of thinking. Traditional computers use bits 0 south and 1 south. Quantum computers use qubits that can be 0 and 1 at the same time thanks to superposition. They can also link together through entanglement, allowing them to process huge amounts of data simultaneously. The result: exponentially more power for complex problem solving. 1. Medical breakthroughs at unseen speed. The U.S. healthcare and biotech sectors are already gearing up for a quantum leap literally. Quantum computing will be able to simulate molecular structures with incredible accuracy. Today, drug development takes 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. With quantum tech, early drug discovery steps could shrink from years to hours. Think about cancer treatments tailored to your exact DNA, new antibiotics discovered in record time, or cures for diseases we still can't crack. Quantum simulation will turn these into realistic goals instead of long shots. 2. Cybersecurity, the biggest threat and the biggest upgrade. Here's the spicy part. Quantum computers can break today's encryption. The encryption that banks, hospitals, the military, and your phone all rely on. That sounds terrifying, and it is. But it's also why the USA is already investing heavily in post-quantum cryptography. New encryption standards are being built specifically to survive quantum attacks. So yes, quantum computing will disrupt cybersecurity. But it will also force the world to upgrade to a much stronger, future-proof digital infrastructure. 3. Revolutionizing finance and markets. Wall Street is watching quantum tech like a hawk. Why? Because financial markets run on models, risk models, behavior models, forecasting models. These models are crazy, complex, and often inaccurate. Quantum computers can analyze massive datasets, test thousands of scenarios simultaneously, and optimize financial strategies at a level traditional computing simply can't touch. This means hyper-accurate risk prediction, faster fraud detection, better portfolio optimization, more stable long-term financial planning. In short, markets become smarter, faster, and harder to manipulate.
4. Logistics, climate science, and national security. Quantum computing is basically a superpower for solving optimization problems. That's why the U.S. government and military are investing heavily in it. Here's what quantum power can do. Optimize supply chains instantly. Goodbye shipping delays. Predict climate patterns with higher precision. Design new materials for aerospace, defense, and energy. Strengthen national security through advanced simulations. The impact on the country's infrastructure will be massive. 5. AI plus quantum. The ultimate power combo. Artificial intelligence is already wild, but pair it with quantum computing, and you get something on a whole new level. Quantum machine learning can process datasets so massive that even NVIDIA's most advanced GPUs struggle. That means faster AI training, more accurate models, better decision-making systems, smarter automation. We're talking breakthroughs in robotics, self-driving cars, personalized medicine, climate modeling, you name it. 6. The timeline. When will this hit everyday life? Here's the straight truth. We're not getting a quantum iPhone anytime soon. But real practical quantum impact? That's closer than people think. Experts estimate 2025-2030. Quantum advantage in chemistry, optimization and machine learning. 2030-2040. Large-scale industry adoption. 2040 onward. quantum computing becomes mainstream infrastructure. Yes, it's early, but the foundations are already being built. If you love deep tech, future tech, and the kind of innovations that can change humanity forever, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on notifications because we're diving deep into the technologies, shaping tomorrow. Stay ahead of the curve. The future belongs to those who understand it early.